Do you want to heal fast, quantum fast? Especially during these stressful times. Hi, I'm Cyndi Dale, the author of 40 books on energy medicine, and I'm really excited to invite you to my free online event in which you're going to be accessing universal patterns, quantum blueprints to help heal your microbiomes. And I mean microbiomes with plural. You have several communities of microbes in your body, and they all need to be healthy for you to function physically and emotionally. And available through our online event are these quantum patterns you're going to be able to download through the first dimensional doorway. One of the dimensions available through your body and in space to bring in the type of healing you really need to deal with the negative thoughts that are in the world, life traumas, absolutely anything that's been compromising your immune system, your health, your well-being, absolutely anything about you. I hope you can join me.